It's for filming. I have a film class. This is my film class.
Your forehead.
Oh yeah.
What good is that?
What do you mean? What good is it?
Well, you can't see through it. So
Yeah.
where you're gonna just like you put a camera on a dog and let him walk around and see
Yeah.
where he was. Is
Exactly.
that what this is?
Yeah.
So we're supposed to be interested in your day. Is that it?
Yeah, of course. Are you not interested
Good
in
luck.
my day?
No, I'm not. Not
No.
really. No. I'll work on my own day. Yeah. Right. Yes, it was. Well, you just got a picture. Okay. No, don't worry.
Does it bother you?
No, not at all.
No?
I think it's silly.
It's silly. Do I look silly or is it silly?
Well, I mean, okay, going around, you can't see what. Okay, so you're gonna now show your friends
Oh no, this is
What
for
you
a
did.
film class.
for a film class.
Yeah, we're all film students at
Or
Bard.
does everybody take turns with that camera?
No, this is my camera. Everyone else has their own camera. Like this, he owns that camera.
That's good.
A lot of people get their own cameras. Yeah.
Okay. Good luck.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Clean your head, Bill. Clean the camera top of your forehead. Look it.
Oh god.
Oh yeah, Hill. Peter said not to use the voice of the announcer. That's gonna like talk in the boat.
Oh really?
Yeah. It was like, what's that?
Ham, hot dogs, cheeseburgers, wrap sandwiches, ice cream bars, chocolate bars, hot drinks like coffee, tea, hot chocolate, cappuccino. There's also a beverage bar on floor where you can get bottled water, soft drinks, mixed drinks, 4 different kinds of draft beer, wine, and frozen drinks. There's hats, t-shirts, nautical jewelry, and other souvenirs up forward also. Then ran 108 miles west to Homedale, Pennsylvania.
Do you have like mayo or something?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I take your picture?
No.
Okay.
Do you want me to smile?
Just do your thing.
I'm not sure how it went, but I know on the 4th of July someone tried jumping out the windows, so we had to like lock him up in the front.
Just to like go swimming.
I don't know, he was really drunk, and I guess he tried jumping out the windows. They have more stories than I do. Nothing fun ever really happens back here.
What's like the crew member to ask?
Hey Ed, are you the crew member to ask about the weirdest things that have happened on this boat? I know that you have some good stories for everything.
Well, everything runs pretty normal, but the only time we have anything odd that goes on is somebody gets sick.
Oh, okay.
Then we transfer people off the boat. But, we have our problems just like anything else. The people that don't want to
I was
behave.
telling her about the guy that tried jumping out the windows.
Yeah, you do every once in a while.
Any funny stories that you've
Well, most of the times the funny is because people are not as up versed on boats and what we do. Okay, and half the time they don't realize which direction we're heading.
yeah.
And-
So there's a lot of boat humor.
Well, yeah, but it's only things that we would understand, because we try not to, make out it's the dumbest word you've heard all day, type of thing. As far as that, for the most part, people behave themselves,
Yeah.
right? But they find you guys very interesting.
Yeah, I've noticed.
So for interesting stuff, then matter would be you guys, because these people they've never seen this before.
Yeah. Is it mostly this demographic, like older people? No.
No, we'll have a music cruise going on tonight, and that'll be a much younger crowd.
Wow.
Right? And,
We even have special things for like little kids.
Oh, really? Is
Yeah.
there are there like dances held on this boat? Wow.
yeah, we had salsa dancing and DJs that come on the boat, and they'll play anything you want.
Well,
It's, as you can see, most of us are a little bit older, so we've been through this gamut for at least 10, 12, used to be like 20 years.
yeah.
Okay, how many would you like?
1907 as a major seminary, the Redemptorist Order of the Roman Catholic Church. Maryland, with the Order Roman Quarry. It has 160 dormitory rooms, large chapel, library, with them named today, Reclaiming Childhood in a Hostile World. It was written by Johann Hill, and they'll give you a copy if you have it, free of charge. It's also home to the Hudson River Pilots Association pilot station. As I mentioned earlier, ocean-going ships can use the river all the way up to Albany. They have to
This thing,
Yeah.
is that controlled by...
No.
No, this. Is that...
Because of his initial exploration, the river is named in honor of Henry Hudson. Roosevelt has named the Scotty Dog Fountain. In 1983, this simply died. The mansion is now open to the public between May and October. The granite blocks were stacked on top of those pilings, producing a pier about 50 feet in diameter. The keeper's house sits atop the pier, behind the family lighthouse. Kitchen, dining room, the sitting room on the main floor, and bedrooms on the second floor. The original lighthouse sat on that pile of rocks over on the right-hand side.
Work, and don't be surprised if I don't drop you a line from the college email. Yeah, we had some stuff that like, who was the man? I can't remember his name, and I feel bad. We had some films that we used and they were recalled, and the only people that was found out. They realized one of them was called Crossroads, and it was a. Yes. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, that we played this like 20-minute version.
You guys are from that class?
Yeah.
You want one of these books to take?
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Access to it, pumping some
bridge out in Washington.
Yeah, yeah.
It kind of fell apart.
Yeah, yeah.
And it culminates with a guy in a scuba outfit going into like an underwater thing, like
That's the kind of stuff
trying to
we
get
would-
away from everything.
Yeah, that's the kind of stuff we would find
Yeah.
and we would like to use it, you know.
Very symbolic, very metaphoric.
Unfortunately, I hate to say it, but we were breaking all kinds of laws by using that public library's films. But you know, we did so many great things with it. I mean, we turned on so many people.
Well, sure.
And we always,
That's always
you know,
good, yeah.
and people would say, "Well, whose stuff was that?" You know, and of course, a lot of the photography was our own. You know, a lot of it was source material from NASA or from wherever.
Coming up on the
But I
right-hand
always had
side
a
is
list of
another
where the
view of the
filmmakers
Mills
were, and I
Mansion,
told
and the
people
locust coming
where
up
they
on the
could find
left-hand
the
side
movies
is
they
the
wanted to
Summit
watch.
White House.
You know,
With a good view of the
You should check
Catskill
out the
Mountains in
work
the
of
background.
Minor White.
spell the last name White.
Yes, it's Minor White, M-I-N-O-R White. And also Edward Weston. They're just like famous American photographers. The work is really beautiful.
What was the other name? Weston?
Edward Weston, like Weston Leader, W-E-S-T-O-N.
Weston. Wait,
Any
say the
place.
name again.